Part 1. Learn 100 ways to avoid using the word very. Very bad. Awful. This food is very bad. This food is awful. Very smart. Intelligent. Tom is very smart in his classroom. Tom is intelligent in his classroom. Very sad. Sorrowful. He is very sad because his father has gone. He is sorrowful because his father has gone. Very cold. Freezing. The weather is very cold today. The weather is freezing today. Very bright. Luminous. This bulb light is very bright. This bulb light is luminous. Very busy. Swamped. My mother is a very busy woman. The principal is a swamped man. Very careful. Cautious. Be very careful when you are walking. Be cautious when you are crossing the road. Very colorful. Vibrant. The flowers are very colorful. The butterfly is vibrant and looking nice. Very confused. Perplexed. What's wrong? You look very confused. What's wrong? You look perplexed. Very mean. Cruel. of you to hit your daughter. The cruel boy threw a stick at the cat. Very nice. Kind. He is a very nice man. He helps elders. He is a kind man. He helps elders. Very old. Ancient. This place is very old. This place is ancient. Very good. Excellent. She got very good marks in her exams. She got excellent marks in her exams. Very stupid. Idiotic. He is very stupid, cutting the one he is sitting on. He is idiotic, cutting the one he is sitting on. Very happy. Ecstatic. The boy is very happy to get a first rank. The boy is ecstatic to get a first rank. Very warm. Hot. I declare it was a very warm day. I declare it was a hot, warm day. Very weak. Frail. I was very weak after hemorrhaging. She was very old and then's frail. Very hungry. Starving. I am very hungry. I need to eat food. I am starving. I need to eat food. Very hurt. Battered. I was very hurt by beating my father. I was battered by beating my father. Very lazy. Indolent. He is a very lazy boy. He is an indolent